Hello guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can create photo gallery website with WordPress. So if you want to create your attractive websites, then without learning any programming languages like HTML, Java, you can go with this WordPress platform. If you want to showcase your talent through your photos or clicked photographs, then this is the best platform for you. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. So before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain, and the second is you need to buy a hosting. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser search for Domain Racer, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racers, and I really love their services because they have very great services. They also have instant support, as you can see support chat is here. So you can talk to them directly, and you can directly contact to the salesperson also if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. Guys, when you open Domain Racer website, on the top you can see domain is here. So click on this domain and search for the domain. Also, make sure while searching for a domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in a domain. So talking about photo gallery website, I'll search for my photos and will click on the search option. And here you can see there are different suggestions coming up. The domains which are available here, the first domain is myphotosusa.com. The second one is myphotosblog.xyz. The third you can see is myphotosblog.com. So if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally. It also helps to rank your website on top. And now once you select the .com domain, you can click to this add to cart. Now you can go to the web hosting, but as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I'm skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, go to the Domain Racer website, then on the top you can see this login option. So click to this login option, and once you click into login option, you have your credentials to login. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. And once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services. Once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, I'm directly going to the Cpanel here. Then we'll enter ID and the password. So now you can see the Cpanel account. Once you log into the Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to the bottom. And now in the software menu, you will see there's an option coming up, WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click on this option, and then you can see there's an option coming, WordPress Management, and there are two different options, install and scan. So click on this install option, and here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. So on the top you can see here it's asking to choose a version. So try to use the latest version. Now here it's coming for site name. Site name would be your website name, that means your domain name. That will represent your website. So it was my photos. And the site description you can give, like for example, I'm giving here is, hey, these are photos clicked by me. Now you can see on my screen there's ID and password coming up. So you can choose and change according to your needs. So I'm keeping it same, admin and admin. Now select the language, that is English. And now here's the last part coming up to select the themes. So you can click to show all themes. Here it will show you the list of all the available themes. So let's search for the theme available here. It was about photo gallery. So I'll search for photo. And you can see there's a match found for photo. So I'll click to this. Also, if you want to see the demo of this, you can click to demo. So I'm going to select this theme here and will click on this install option. So as you can see, it's installing now. So it might take some time. As you can see, this may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandate part. You cannot skip this part. So we will wait some few minutes more. Now, after completing this second part, you can move to the last part. How you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So let's move to the third part, guys. So guys, let's move to the third part. Now you are done with the installation part. You will get this screen here. As you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you are given two different links here. The first link, as you can see, that will show how your website is looking like. So you can click on this and you can open. This is how the website is looking like. Coming back to second link, as you can see, administrative URL from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, so talking about the role of this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can do changes from left side also. Like if you want to post a blog, you can click on this post option. If you want to add new post, then you can click on this too. And again, you can manage your comments from here. By clicking appearance, you can change your theme or customize your website. Or if you want to add any plugin, then click on this plugin option. If you want to assign any other user to your website, you can simply do it from here. So here, when you go to the website, you can see at the top, My Photos. If you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at that time. And now you can see in the heading here is coming up, hey, these are photos clicked by me. And if you remember, it was the description I given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos you can see, so you can change this too. So you need to go to the dashboard and here it's the option start customizing. So click on this option. It will let you to do all the changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes in the header or footer, templates and pages, you can go to the header and here you can easily change the header as it's preparing the interface. And these are things you can change according to your needs. Next, you can change title, add new section. Also, you can change template according to your needs. If you want to make change to homepage, then you can click to this and you can see it's preparing interface for homepage. So from here, scrolling down, you can change this image or anything else you want to customize in your website. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own photo gallery website through WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.